In this recipe, we're making a Matar Masala, or a green pea curry. To get started, heat up our pan, add in some butter, add in a cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf, green cardamom, some cloves, and we're going to stir that up until it's fragrant. We're going to add in the onion and green chili, and we're going to stir that up and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And we're going to add in the cashews, and then we're going to add in the tomatoes and the garlic and ginger, and we're going to let that cook down for 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to pull that off and let it cool. And you want to take out your bay leaf and your cinnamon stick before we put it in the blender. Once it's cooled, add that mixture into the blender. Blend it all up really well until you get a smooth paste. Then back in your pan, heat up your pan over medium-high heat. Use a cup of water to get the rest of the paste out of the blender. Heat it up until it starts bubbling. So we're going to add in the turmeric powder, add in the Kashmiri chili powder, add in some cumin, add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, add in a half of a teaspoon of garam masala, and cook that for 1 minute. Add in the peas. Let that heat up for 5 to 6 minutes. And then we're going to finish that with some coriander, a little bit of garam masala, some kasuri methi, and some chopped up cilantro. A beautiful matar masala all done. Hey, not bad.